Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Afterpay to your Stan store. All right, so first up, all we have to make sure is that first you have an active Creator Pro subscription right here. As you can see under billing, if you only have the standard Creator subscription, well, go ahead and change your plan right here and select Creator Pro. Okay, that's the first. The second one, make sure that you have an active Stripe account right here. Okay, or a custom Stripe account. Just click on register and follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll have your Stripe account. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to set this up, well, we do have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up on the channel. Okay, so that's second. The third one, make sure that you're based in one of the following countries right here: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, France, or Spain. And make sure that your Stan Store and Stripe account both have one of the following currencies: US dollars, Canadian dollars, British pounds, Australian dollars, New Zealand dollars, or euro. Okay. Now, once you've verified that you have all of those things that I've mentioned, well, you can now go ahead and go to your store right here and then click one of your products to test it out. Okay. And in the checkout page, you should be able to see both Afterpay and Klarna available. Okay. They will just automatically appear. And that is how you add Afterpay to Stan Store. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.